Here is the Ford Escape. Let's get started. Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not the front door. So we'll start with the rear left door. Open the door and in the latch there you will find the slot. That's where you have to put the physical key. So press this button, get the physical key out of the key fob, put it right inside the slot and then twist your right to activate the feature, and now the feature is activated. I can still open it from outside. However, when I get on the inside and close the door, lock, unlock, doesn't matter. No matter what I do, I will not be able to open the door. See, I'm stuck in here. So how do I get out? I'm just going to slide onto the other side, open the other door and get out because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. So let's go ahead, open this door, open the left side door from outside, put the key back in that slot, twist to the left to deactivate the feature, and now it's back to normal. I can open the door from outside. On the inside, when I close the door in the lock position, I cannot open. Unlock, I can open. Let's repeat the process for the right side door. Same slot, just small differences. You have to twist it left to activate the feature. And that's it, the feature is activated. I can still open it from outside, and on the inside, no matter what I do, I will not be able to open. So how am I going to get out? You already know it. I'm going to slide onto the other side, open that door and get out. So if you do have a child in the back seat, just be sure to activate this feature separately for both the doors. Now let's just open the right side door from outside, put the key inside there, twist your right to deactivate the feature. And now let's see, I can open it from outside. On the inside, lock position, I cannot open. Unlock, I can open, and that is very good. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Thank you.